Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, I wanted to zoom out quite a ways on the 4-hour time frame because I still have this WXY analysis on the 4-hour to daily time frame. I still think we're likely in a wave 4 of wave 3 all the way up on the weekly. If that is true, eventually we're going to probably go down and take out the $3,000 an ounce area and maybe even a decent amount lower than that. So we definitely want to keep an eye out for that. Now, we're looking at the full hour. We got one, two, three, four, five waves up. So you would expect the next move down to potentially be a crutch into this five waves up and then potentially get something like this before it actually made a bigger move down. That's definitely what I would expect to see. Now, the problem with that is that if this WXY analysis is right, this thing could literally end the trend and then just start a brand new trend to the downside. And this potentially would be a wave A, this would be a wave B, and this would be a wave C of wave Y going all the way down to about $3,000 an ounce or maybe even a little bit lower. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on these five ways up because, like I said, I would kind of expect now, because it made five ways up, that we would likely see a crutch into those five waves, maybe a 61, 78% pullback. And this potentially would be like an A, and this would be a B, and then it potentially would go back up for a wave C. But like I said, if now that we're starting to get this break of sorts it down, I think that we should be looking for sorts just in case it ends up going down. If we're looking for sorts and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then that's great news for us, in my opinion. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.